Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will share how you can make money by doing nothing. Watch this video until the end and I will show you exactly how to do this. If you want, you can do other tasks to 10x your earnings. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. Click on the link given in the pinned comments to reach this website. This online earning portal allows you to earn points for being active and completing tasks online. Click on this button. Download and add this extension. Open this extension and complete your profile. You can check your earnings here. Click on Earn More and here are different ways to make money. First is by completing the given tasks like installing an app or performing the instructed activities. But if you don't want to do any of these things, then you can also make money by setting the ads and get paid for just doing your regular work online, and you don't need to do any other work. You can enable all of these options and you'll get to see some ads while browsing, which helps to generate some money. You can also refer your friends to get some bonus. Now if you want to 10x your earnings, then you have to do some other tasks as mentioned earlier. Also, if this video gets a good response, then I'll also make a video on how you can withdraw your earnings. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.